Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the 5th week of online learning. Last week we talked about metric units and how to measure with centimeters and meters. You guys did such a great job estimating things around your house and finding objects to measure on a ruler with centimeters and meters. It wasn't much different than inches and feet, but now we're going to take all of that learn knowledge and combine it with our background knowledge of number lines and word problems and squish it all together so we can really test our knowledge on measurement. So let me introduce you to the broken ruler. Okay, so here we have some examples of objects on broken rulers. And as you can see, it's really just placing objects in the middle of a ruler. They're not starting on 0 like we've been doing. But don't let that throw you off. You can still use that as one of your strategies. So usually step 1 is line up your object to the ruler. Step 2, make sure your start is at 0. So let's just pretend that this So start at the front of your chapstick and draw your little line down. We're at 6. Go to the end of your chapstick and draw your line down. We're at 13. Just pretend that that 6 is just like you've always been measuring, a 0. And you're going to jump each unit till you get to the end, just like on a number line. So you're going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this chapstick is really 7, and my units are centimeters. So that's one strategy. Jump like you're on a number line and just pretend that your start is a 0 and you jump till you get to the end of your number line. And another strategy is to draw your line down from the front of your object, circle that number, which is 4, go to the end of your object, circle that number, which is a 7, and find the difference. So always start with the biggest number, which is 7. Difference means to subtract your smallest number, and you get 3. So this stamp is really 3 centimeters. So let's practice one more time those two strategies. First, you can pretend like it's a number line. Draw a line down from the start point of your object and a line down from the stop point of your object. And pretend like your start is a 0, just like you would on a ruler. Jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is where you stop. So this is really 5. Your unit is centimeters. The shell is 5 centimeters. Or you can draw your line down from the start of your object, circle that number, which is 6, draw a line down from the end of your, that's not very good, let me try that again. Draw a line down from the end of your object, and that is an 8, and find the difference. So again, start with the big number, 8, minus the small number. So stop point minus start point equals 2, and your unit is centimeters. So as you can see, I'm not asking you to walk around and break your ruler to measure things this week. You're really just finding the difference and the start and stop point on your ruler. So your first activity is to practice these skills along with a video. And your check-in for attendance this week will be to answer the following question. Okay, so your question for attendance this week is, what is the measurement of this Lifesaver package? Remember, step 1, make sure you're in the right unit. We're in centimeters. Find your start point and your stop point and find the difference. So you can use whatever strategy you want, given on what I talked about earlier, and respond with your answer in the correct unit down below with either typing in your response or recording your response.